Hello guys and welcome back to Autocraze. I'm back at Evo Customs with a new project for my Brezza. So a new audio upgrade is going to take place for my Brezza. So I've got this, the DD subwoofer. It's a great subwoofer from the house of DD. It's a DD512. The RMS rating is around 150 RMS to 400 RMS, but it can be pumped more, that and more later on this video. So let's get started with the video. So guys, starting off with, in this video I'm just going to be unboxing and giving you guys my overview as well as the specifications from this DD512. So let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, let's get started with the unboxing. So this is like a 2-layer packaging, and in fact inside this I also have rain guard speaker rings. For now, let's just unbox the subwoofer. Okay, this is a very good DD branding, and Elite is the authorized importer of DD audio. So whenever you're purchasing a DD audio equipment, make sure their tape or their branding is there. I'll be explaining you guys how to identify whether it's an original or a fake product, but until now there's no fake product on DD, so you can just buy it blindly, no worries. So this is the rain guard rings. I'll come back to this later. So there's a good amount of foam in order to protect the subwoofer. Now, yes, this is the DD subwoofer Redline series DD512. So let me just take it out of the box. So guys, the DD sub is out of the box. So let me just open it. Now opening the sub reveals a nice thermocol packaging with the Digital Designs warranty card. Come back to this later. You get some goodies, DD stickers. You can stick it on your vehicle or wherever you want. Now opening out the thermocol. Here's the sub in a polythene bag, protected around with thermocol base. So let me remove the sub. Take out the box. And here is the sub. Coming out of the polythene bag, there's a bit of thermocol, which I'll take it out, and this is how the sub looks. So starting off with, this is the overlook of the DD512. Now the subwoofer looks damn good. It's a gorgeous subwoofer, and the build quality is top notch. In fact, everything is built so well that it seems that this is going to last lifelong. Which it might not, but yeah, it's gonna last very long. So there's DD audio logo around the subwoofer, and there's a DD audio on the dust cup. Now moving down below, there are 4 push clips, positive, negative, so on both the sides. So this is a dual voice call subwoofer, and there's a double magnet, and there's again DD audio branding there. And on the back, I mean behind the magnet, you have the DD Redline series. It's written as Redline 500 series. So now coming to the specifications, this DD Audio 512 subwoofer has a power rating from 150 RMS to 400 RMS. Yes, it can be pumped a bit more, but not too much. Maybe it can go up to 600 watts of RMS, and the max output is 1200 watts. So again, this is a D4 subwoofer. It comes in 2 forms, D2 and D4. So based on the amplifier which you have, and you can pair it accordingly. Yes, this does require a mono block. It cannot be run on a 4-channel amp, as it's a dual voice call sub. So now coming to the warranty card, this is how the warranty card of the subwoofer is. So this has a 1-year warranty, but I have never seen a DD subwoofer getting claimed for warranty, because all the subs are built like a tank and nothing fails, in fact, unless you overburn the subwoofer. Now there are some stickers which you can stick on your car or wherever you like. But yes, it's a good thing because I like stickers personally. Now coming to the overlook, yes, the subwoofer is pretty good, and yes, this deserves a ported enclosure, but it can also be installed in a sealed enclosure. Now my ported enclosure, the designing of that, all that will be out soon. So I've started with this project and I'll be working on this. So I'll be giving you guys an overview of this as well, and there'll be an installation video which will be coming out soon. So there's just a basic unboxing as well as an overview video. So if you like this video, please consider the thumbs up, and if you guys have any queries or suggestions, just comment on the comment section. I'll make sure to reply to it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys in the next video.